Hello viewers, today we'll be solving this interesting quadratic equation and we'll be using the factorization method. So let's begin. Alright, first thing we'll do, this root 2 is the coefficient of x squared. We'll use it to multiply a constant term which is minus 2 root 2, and that will give us our product. So we'll have root 2 multiplied by minus 2 root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is root 4 multiplied by minus 2, and that will give us 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4. So minus 4 becomes our product. So we'll look for factors of minus 4. Factors of minus 4. Also remember that our sum is minus 3. So we'll look for the factors of minus 4. Now two values that will multiply themselves to give you minus 4. And when you sum them, you will get minus 3. What are those two values? So we have minus 4 and 1. Because minus 4 times 1 is equal to minus 4. And minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. So now we'll use these two values to replace minus 3x. Here we have root 2 x squared minus 4x and plus x minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Alright, so we factorize by grouping. Now, between root 2x squared and minus 4x, root 2 is actually common because it can divide 4. Root 2 can divide 4. And between the x squared and x, 1x is common. So we'll take root 2 and we'll take x as common. Now, if we divide root 2x squared by root 2x, root 2 will cancel root 2 and x will cancel one of the x. So we'll have just one x remaining. Now, we have minus 4x divided by root 2x. Let's work it out. We have minus 4x divided by root 2x. X will cancel out and we have minus 4 over root 2. So we'll rationalize this value. Minus 4 over root 2 multiplied by root 2 over root 2. So here will give us minus 4 root 2 all over. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. So 2 will cancel itself 1. 2 will cancel 4 to give us 2. So here we have minus 2 root 2 as our remainder. So we have x minus 2 root 2. We'll close our bracket. Now between x and minus 2 root 2, 1 is common. 1 is common. And we have x minus 2 root 2. Everything equal to 0. As you can see, the two brackets are the same. That means we are in order. So we'll take one of the brackets, x minus 2 root 2, and we'll create another bracket using the leftovers. In this case, we have root 2x plus 1, and it's equal to 0. So now we have that x minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0, or root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, if we move minus 2 root 2 to the right hand side, we'll have that x is equal to 2 root 2, or root 2x, we'll move plus 1 to the right hand side, the sign will change to negative 1. Okay, we are done with this, so let's work on this second root. So if root 2x is equal to minus 1, it means that x is equal to, we'll now divide both sides by root 2. If we do that, we'll have x is equal to minus 1 over root 2. So as you can see, x is equal to minus 1 over root 2, but the denominator has an irrational number. So that means we need to rationalize. So that means that x is equal to minus 1 over root 2 multiplied by root 2 over root 2. And that will give us minus root 2 over root 2 times root 2 is root 4, which is equal to 2. So at this point, there's nothing else we can do here. So finally, we'll say that x is equal to the first root here, 2 root 2, or minus root 2 over 2 as our answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get more interesting videos. Thank you.